Hello students, welcome back to the another session of Satyanarayana Study Circle. Today we are going to learn about the image formation by a convex lens for various position of the object. Here different various position students. Total 6 various position students. First one, object at infinitive. Second one students, object placed behind the center of curvature on the principal axis. Third one students, object placed at the center of curvature. Fourth position, object placed between the center of curvature and focal point. Fifth position students, object located at the focal point. Last one, sixth one, object placed between focal point and optic center. First one students, object at infinitive. Where is first position? Object at infinitive. The rays coming from the object at infinitive, not defined. Infinite means not defined. Ananta Duram. Or parallel to principal axis, converge to the focal point after refraction. So, a point-sized image is formed at the focal point or focus. Students, yes, students. This is principal axis. You know, student. This is principal axis. Okay, principal axis. Here, this is you know, students. So, convex lens. Convex lens. Okay. Yes, symbol donated. Another symbol. You know, students. This is both are same. Right. This is ray, students. Let's see. Ray. Instant rays. Here F1, F2 students focus. You know, students. Next to C1, C2 center of curvature. Right. Here object in infinite. Object at infinite here. Infinite, not defined. Right. Here see, students. Okay. A ray coming from the object to at infinitive or parallel. Yes, see, parallel to principal axis. Converge here, see, converge to the focal point here. This is focal point. Students, focus, focal point. Don't confuse. After refraction, so a point, you see, a point-sized image is formed at the focal point or focus. This is first two position, students. Next, students, second position, object placed behind the center of curvature on the principal axis. This is principal axis, students. Okay. Next, F1, F2, you know, students, focus, focal point. C1, C2 points, you know, students, center of curvature. Object, yes, students, when an object is placed behind center of curvature, let's see, behind center of curvature here, object, object, center of curvature, a real, inverted and diminished image is formed between F1, C1, here see, image formed. This is image, here formed. Okay, students, understood? Is formed between F1 and C1. F1, C1, here see, between formation image. Okay, next. Third position, object placed at the center of curvature. Students, there is no principal axis, right? F1, F2, focus, focal point, C1, C2, center of curvature. Here object, here this is object, here image, students. Here see matter. When an object is placed at the center of curvature, here see, students, object is placed at the center of curvature, C2 point, see, students, on the principal axis. Next to a real inverted image is formed at C1. Here see, this C1, here image, this is image, which is same, this is most important, student, which is same size as that of the object. Here object size, image size is equal, students. Okay, image formation C1 point. Okay, understood? Fourth position, object placed between the center of curvature and focal point. Yes, students, the principal axis, you know, right? F1, F2, focus, C1 C2 contra curvature. Here object here see object F2 C2 focus C2 ma F2 C2 contra curvature focus between here object here see this is object okay. When an object is placed between center of curvature C2 and focus F2 focus C2 center of curvature object here see student this is object. We will get an image which is real students, this is most important, real inverted and magnified, real inverted and magnified. This image is formed here see behind C1 here see this is C1, this is F1 you know students, this is a diagram behind here see this is image behind C1 okay, will form behind C1 image. The fifth position students, object located at the focal point. You see this object, right? At two focal point students. F1, F2 focus, focal point. C1, C2 center curvature. Here see, convex lens you know. Okay? Right. Next. When an object is placed at to focus point F2, the image will be at to infinity. You see, infinite formation here. Image at to infinity. Here image. Come on, right? Okay, students. Next, last one, sixth one. Object placed between focal point and optic center is most important, students. Here see, object. Focus here focal point, object here this is object okay students, right? If we place an object between focus and optic center, we will get an image which is virtual important student, virtual, erect and magnified. Here see this is image. Students, okay, F1 C1 here F2 C2, F1 F2 you know students, focus C1 C2 center curvature, this is principal axis okay. Here image, this is object. Clear students? Most important students, diagram 6 positions, so most important, practice important students. Okay student, thank you for watching. This is Satyanarayana signing off.